Hello friends, myself Jadhav Suvarna from KK Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Pimpras Ramache. Today I will explain modern approach to chemical industry. Then the basic requirement of chemical industry. First, chemical productions. There are many types are present in a chemical productions. The manufacturers of chemical products requires raw material and it involves various operations and processes. Chemical production. Chemical production is divided into following types. First, raw material. Second, unit processes. Third, unit operations. Fourth, quality control. Fifth, process control. And last one is pollution control. Then, raw materials. Raw material. Any substance or a chemical which can be proceed to produce the desired products is called as raw material. Raw material are divided into two types. First is natural raw material. Natural raw material it contains carbon compound, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, chlorine and NaOH, sulfur, phosphorus, fluorine and other inorganic compounds. Then second raw material is raw material from other industries. It divided into sodium chloride, caustic soda, molasses, benzene, petroleum fractions, naphthalene, and non-edible linseed oil. Then there are many terms are used in the modern approach of chemical industry is first is unit operation. What do you mean by unit operations? The operations carried out for designing in-hall and engineers work with a specific purpose and with the help of special type of equipment used in a chemical reaction is called as unit operation. There are some important unit operations are as follows: adsorption, centrifugation, crystallization, distillation, dissolution, drying, evaporation, filtration, heat transfer, mixing, screening, sedimentation, and solvent extraction. Then second term is unit processes. Meaning of unit processes: the commercialization of a chemical reaction under such conditions which prove to be economically profitable is called as unit processes. There are some important unit processes are as follows: alkylation, amination by ammonolysis, esterification, hydrolysis, halogenation, nitration, oxidation, cyclization, isomerization, dehydration, sulfonation, electrolysis. Then next term is quality control, a system of routine technical activities to measure and control the quality of the record. In all, the analysis of testing of raw material and finished product for their standard specialization, technical grade, analytical grade, reagent grade, spectroscopic purity, etc. are used to denote the degree of purity and quantity of compounds is called as a quality control. Research and development. Research and development are industrials related point. It is a creative work undertaken on a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of knowledge, including knowledge of man, culture, and society, and the use of this stock of knowledge to devise new applications. Research develops new changes, and development is the modification or modification of a research. Thank you.